A railway construction site in South Korea's Gwangmyeong city collapsed on Friday afternoon, trapping workers in the rubble. The National Fire Agency reported one worker missing, while a second worker has been located but remains trapped. The incident occurred at a site where workers were constructing a new commuter rail line connecting Seoul to the suburbs. Cracks had been discovered in an underground pillar and reported to the authorities overnight. The country has been grappling with infrastructure-related disasters this year. A fatal highway construction collapsed in Anseong in February, while a 20-meter sinkhole happened in Seoul, killing a motorcyclist in March.